Question from Dawn newspaper. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. Women in Pakistan will be silent no more. Full stop. Each year on March 8, International Women's Day, their voices come together in an ever louder crescendo to demand that their inherent, constitutionally protected rights to dignity, and to security in the private and public domains be upheld. Full stop. Next para. At the same time, while doing so, they are reminded in no uncertain terms of the long road that lies ahead before gender equality comes anywhere within reach of the vast number of their compatriots in the country. Full stop. As the right wing in Pakistan grows ever more emboldened in the face of appeasement by the state, their path has become increasingly treacherous and twisted. Full stop. Next para. Ever since the Aurat March has evolved into a defining event to mark the day, it has grown starkly clear there is no tolerance for women collectively demanding their rights in such a visible and inclusive way, even when they do so entirely peacefully. Full stop. For they threaten the edifice of the patriarch from which flow so many advantages that many men take for granted in conservative societies like ours. Full stop. Next para. That status quo enables them to prey on women in the public space, threat female family members as chattel, beat them and abuse them, and in extreme. Full stop.